Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. I decided to make this video because I was transplanting curly violets. Probably it may be of interest to you. I want to tell you how to grow a viola from seeds, from the moment of sowing to the moment of flowering. Are you ready? Let's do it together. Viola or violet can be an annual, biennial, or perennial plant. I grow cascading, climbing violas. These beautiful flowering plants can be a great decoration for garden planters. Almost every variety of viola grows well in open sunny beds on a sunny terrace in pots. But I like exactly ampelic cascading violas. These plants create a lot of side shoots on which large flowers are formed. I did sowing violet seeds in February. I use neutral top peat of a fine fraction for sowing. Viola has large seeds, so they need to be slightly covered with substrate. The optimum temperature for germination of viola seeds is 77 degrees Fahrenheit, but the plant is so unpretentious that it can show the first sprouts and at an air temperature of 59 degrees Fahrenheit. The substrate with seeds should be well moistened with warm water. I use a sealed plastic container for sowing, but you can sow seeds in any garden pot and cover with a polyethylene transparent film to keep hermetic. Viola seeds germinate in a light place. So on the third day after sowing, you need to provide good lighting with powerful neutral light. Young violet plants will not have long legs. They will be harmonious little flowers. As soon as you notice the appearance of the first seedlings, you need to open the plastic container. Provide plenty of light and good ventilation to each plant. See how the viola looks like a week after sowing the seeds. Now it's time to make important phosphorus feedings for the development of the root system of the plant. I use potassium monophosphate as soon as I saw the first two true leaves. It's time to do the transplanting of the viola into separate pots. The most important rule here is to damage the central stem of the violet to encourage the plant to create lateral roots. After transplanting, the plants need a light, shady place because the integrity of the root system is broken, and it will take some time to restore it. You should also water only with warm water. Potassium monophosphate or another mineral fertilizer with a large amount of phosphorus can be used again. This will help the root system of the plant to recover faster. I have prepared garden plastic pots with a volume of 2 cups. Fill them with nutrient substrate. And now I will do the transplanting of curly violet. After 40 days, my cascading violas have finally shown their first flowers. Do you like violas? I absolutely adore these unpretentious plants. They are not afraid of cold, rain, and sometimes even snow. Grow violas with me, decorate your garden, and enjoy your work. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. See you soon.